welcome to my leg workout. Today we are doing legs. My ass is burning. I did hip thrusts. Such a good workout.
Hey guys, what is up? Today is going to be a really exciting video. I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to not feel shy at the gym while training, and Bonnie wants to say hi as well. So let's get on to the video. Let's work out together. If you don't have a friend that wants to work out with you, definitely whip out your phone. Let's work out together. I used to love doing that. I still do that. A little segue, I have my tea with me and my mom on it, so I'm living my best life. That made me feel really confident. So I guess that's tip number one. So you can definitely do that with me and I'd be happy to work out with you. Okay, so we are starting off with this Stairmaster. Now this is literally the best device that I have ever gotten, that I've literally taken through each and every single one of my workouts. Now I gotta admit, every time I go into the gym, still to this day, I've been working out for about 5 years or something. Still to this day, I feel a sense of intimidation for some reason. So what I found for me was to go to do cardio at the very start, because it's a kind of psychological thing. I don't want to jump into my workout first because sometimes I'm tired or I can't be bothered. Even if you do 10 minutes or 5 minutes or however many minutes you want to do on the cardio, at least you're going in, you're in that atmosphere, you're scoping everything out, you're scoping everyone out, you're kind of setting in like an established tone of like, yes, I'm the cardio, this is what I'm doing, and I'm having fun. First of all, I can either watch vlogs or TikToks. I like being stimulated, and if my body is stimulated but like my mind is somewhere else, like, oh my god, it's like another form of meditation for me. When you're stretching, the best kind of area to do it, you don't want to do it at the very middle of, you know, the gym. Find a place that's kind of inconspicuous. I mean, I know it kind of looks like it's not very inconspicuous here, but like it's not. But like the gym was really empty this night, and that's going to be my next point. Find a wall, right? Don't mind me, I'm just having a little bit of a tea while we're filming this. So basically, literally, this is like, I wish someone told me this, just find the most inconspicuous place and have no shame. Like, yeah, I'm hiding, so what? Like, I'm learning, I'm new, I'm a beginner, and I'm going to do what's the most comfortable for me, because what? Am I going to sit at home and hide, or am I just going to go out in public and do whatever it is that I want to do? Take what the gym gives you, basically. So find the most inconspicuous place. That's one of my points. Now, the next point that I have is, God, that's good tea. Now, the next point that I have is to go to the gym when people aren't there. Can I tell you what hell on earth is? Hell on earth is going to the gym at 6 p.m. because that is rush hour. Rush hour at the gym, every single person, cousin, newborn baby, and toddlers, and everyone that you see at Christmas is at the gym. So my first point was, you know, go in the evenings, but not even that, just find that sweet spot time at your gym where no one is there. To backtrack a little bit, it's actually sometimes easier because there are so many people at the gym and it's so packed that is when no one single crap about you, because you're just an ant and you're just one of the people and there's just so many people. So sometimes I find it more awkward when there's 5 people at the gym and they kind of are on their phones, and in between sets people get bored, and so they kind of look at you. Understand that it's not about you, it's about them. If they want to feel superior to you, there's always going to be someone that has something to say, and it's up to you to be like, so say it, so think it. Okay, that has nothing to do with me though. It's not anything that I did or I said. You know, if I'm looking after my form, if I'm doing the work, if I'm consistently practicing, then, you know, it's your fault, it's your problem if you're judging me. That has nothing to do with me. As long as you think that you're doing the right job and you're doing the right form, and if someone comes up to you, just be nice, smile, and be like, thank you, but I'm learning and I think that I'm doing a good job. So, or just whatever. Sometimes people actually just come up to you just so they can start a conversation. They're not doing it because they actually think you have bad form. So just take it with a grain of salt and just keep practicing. Yes, it's going to be uncomfortable. That is the hard truth, but you need to actually just do it. Find the easiest kind of possible solutions, but at the end of the day, you're still going to have to do it, you know, and it's still going to be uncomfortable. It's still going to be out of your comfort zone, but just think in your head like everyone does it. And everyone probably is thinking about their own form. And if people aren't thinking about their own form, then that's the people that are in the wrong, because they should be thinking about themselves. I haven't even said anything about the workout. So I'm doing a hip thrust on a machine, classic Gymshark move. Every single Gymshark baddie does this workout. So instead of using the leg extension, you go on the leg extension machine and you do hip thrusts. Now, when I watched a video of someone doing this a couple of years ago, when I saw someone do this a couple of years ago, I was like, Oh, hell no. Like, you got me f***ed up if you think that I'm ever going to do this shit. But I would only start doing it when no one was at the gym, and I would, you know, build it up, and I'm like, I really like this exercise. Shame on you if you don't know what hip thrusts are. Like, it's all the new rage. Like, if you don't like it, if you don't know what it is, and you think I'm just humping a machine, you know, that's within your right. But, you know, I gotta get this booty, I gotta grow this booty, and this is the most activated glute exercise that you can possibly do. And actually, this literally is the thing that absolutely tears my ass up. Like, not my man, I don't have a man, not the dumbbells, not the plates that I use when I do the hip thrusts, not squatting, not lunging. This is the number one thing that tears my ass apart. And, you know, I would rather have that tear my ass apart than, you know, a man, because this is actually gonna grow my booty, you know what I'm saying? One of my favorite workouts, why do I keep saying that? That is such a lie. I literally keep saying that squats are my favorite. But I think what I mean is, if I have to do squats, which unfortunately you do if you want to have a good ass, there's just no other way around it. Like, you can't just always do hip thrusts, you can't always just do lunges. Like, you need to mix it up a little bit. Next point is definitely do exercises and go on machines that are fun or that are easy to do. Go on literally the easiest machines that you can see. Go on YouTube, Google gym workouts on the machine or machine gym workouts, and the most basic ones will pop up, and they're at every single gym. Just go there any time of day, anytime you feel comfortable, and, you know, you breathe the machine, it's fine. That's what the machines are for. Just go on the machines, don't go on freeform. You don't even have to do cardio, just stick to one thing and feel comfortable doing that. Once you level up from that, which is honest, it's so easy. Like, it regulates your form, no one's gonna judge you, you're just on the machine. And to that point, I would actually go onto the machines maybe for like a year doing legs. Like, I did not do this weight stuff. Have that mindset of like, I would rather be at the gym creating results, looking hot, than just sitting at home and not doing anything. I'd rather be judged for it, you know what I mean? This whole overweight thing, not looking fit at the gym, this is my take on it. And I want to preface with this. I've never been severely overweight. I never had that feeling of like, oh, I'm going to get judged at the gym because I'm not as skinny, I'm not fit. Everyone that is facing that problem, it's like the first thing that they jump to, and it's totally understandable. But here's why it doesn't make sense to me. Now, when I see, and this is before I gained all this weight, I would look at people that were overweight with such respect. I get off way more when overweight people are at the gym, because it's like, damn, like, you're actually working towards your body, you're trying to be healthier, you're trying to be in a healthier body. Freaking kudos to you. Like, I sometimes look at people and I'm just like, good luck to you. Just understand that it's something that is a very great accomplishment to go to the gym whilst you're overweight. And I can't even delve deep into it because I've never personally struggled with it in that sense. But when I was on my heavier side, I personally never felt like I was going to be judged or anything like that. Just because I knew within myself how inspired I felt when I saw those kind of people. The next thing that I would do is stiff leg deadlifts. Now, this is the iconic area where all the weight bros are. The damn weight bros. These are the jocks in high school. Honestly, like, there are different groups in the gym. There's the weight bros, there's the yoga chicks, the treadmill people that go on the treadmill and go home. And I'm not saying this as a form of judgment, but there are different type of people at the gym, and weight bros are the most intimidating people in the entire world. Just in the entire world. Like, group of teenagers making TikToks going past me, cool, can I be in it? Weight bros in this area, oh, like, literally, okay, like, you're beautiful, but like, come on, don't stare at me. So when I start out, I would just limit that place as much as possible. This is probably just me projecting on my own experiences, but in the comments, let me know if you think that it's the same for you guys. But there comes a point where you're like, you know what, I really am that bitch, and you go right into the middle of the gym bros, weight bros, and you just start putting your ass out and, you know, doing the deadlifts, and they're all like, and you're like, yeah, and that, so what? You know, you think I have bad form? You think I have like a curved back? Look again. I haven't touched on actually figuring out the weights and your form, and this is the most important thing that you can possibly do. If you want to feel comfortable at the gym, set aside everything else. This is the most important thing. And I should have prefaced this at the very start of the video. If you don't have your form down pat, people should be judging you. You know what I mean? Like, people should be judging you if you will literally look like this guy. Do you know what I mean? But I'm sure that you don't. Your ego is going to play tricks on you at the very start, and you're going to be like, I need to have a heavier weight right now because, you know, all these people are lifting 40 kilograms or whatever. They lift 60, 80, 100, 120, whatever the case may be. And you're just doing like a measly 5 kilograms, which I still do to this day, excuse me. You need to talk to your ego for a second and be like, you know what? You know what's more important? My health, my back, my and my crack. The most important thing is my health and my back. And oh, guys, please, 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 if you do deadlifts or anything, just do the lightest weight first. Go on YouTube, stand there, whatever, I don't care. Watch that video 20 times and then watch it again. And then do 1 rep and then do it again to see if maybe you failed. And then if that doesn't work, you know, watch it again, take your phone, record yourself or get someone to record you at all angles and sides, watch it again and compare. And this is why, you know, a personal trainer is very important at the very start. Another point can be go and, you know, do personal training. You know, I had a boyfriend that would look at my form and, you know, correct me and help me with all that kind of stuff. So if you have a boyfriend that does it, more power to you. Just get a boyfriend for that. Don't use him for the D. Find a guy, like, just use him for free personal training. Do you know what I mean? Whether that be having your legs aligned to your toes when you're doing a leg press, or it being a literal straight back as you're going down while you're doing a deadlift, and amongst other things. And you know, I know that it kind of sounds more intimidating now that I'm saying all of these things, but it is very important. And if you ease yourself into it and you go very, very slow and tell your ego, tell yourself that, you know, I'm going to get way better in time, but right now I need to take care of my health. I need to look at the form. These are the people that actually should be approached and be told, like, you're doing this wrong. You know what I mean? But if it's something dumb like, you know, one of your legs is out and the other one isn't, or like when you're doing like these ones in like one arm is like here and the other is here and you should have it more here, and you're doing it like those kind of things don't matter. But when it actually comes to your health and it's like a health concern and you like are breaking your back because you're bending, like, do you know what this does? Like over time, if you keep on doing this, like, and bending down like this and your back is like this, because naturally, if you haven't done a stiff leg deadlift or any kind of deadlifts, this is how naturally your back is gonna go if you do like a really heavy weight. You don't want to be that person. That's the last thing that I'm gonna say. If you take away anything, it will be that. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Another quick little tip, wear a cap. If people are gonna look at you, you're not gonna see them, and it's just tunnel vision. It's the best thing ever. If I don't care, I just wear a cap and I call it a day. But literally put it down and like people aren't seeing it. I mean, I know you're going to look like the guy from You, but you know, do you want to look comfortable? Do you want to look like a creep? I mean, you choose your priorities here. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I really hope that you can join me in my journey for self-development. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Okay guys, that was the end of the workout. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you tried it out as well. I'll see you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Bye!